Ken or break away no NPP supporters in Libya or see NPP supporters no between and a bit me na be
Ebusian for aha egg and SMTVGH. Message or like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are productive. Ebusian for they say there because the mumu naba I was screen also no. I mean, people somehow got to realize say my WhatsApp number and so. And sometimes people send me voice notes about their views. People also send a mumu. Now, one of the voice notes that I've received, one from someone our England, UK, a friend who the critical thinker. Now, audio no 7 minutes long, and I took my time to listen to all the 7 minutes. And me recording so mamo. Send me the baba boa chiremo. But before me boa chiremo no, let me tell you what basically the critical thinker is talking about. He's saying, from the way critical thinker is speaking, I'm not sure say or your beer or identifying who with NPP directly. I'm not sure. But why your observation beer or feel say NPP must take a quick notice of, and if something can be done about it, should be done ASAP. Now, observation is say critical thinker is saying say, oh no, dear, it does not believe say at this material point in time, no, the reconciliation agenda of NPP party, NPP, no, are necessary. And he's saying this because in his view, some of the people who are coming back, who claim they had is because they left the party because they had issues with Akufo-Addo. Mention them. Atta Kennedy, Amwakuba, Kojo Pianim, those stalwarts, those big men. Per the critical thinker, no, maybe if these people had the party really at heart, and party ewa makuma so, and nothing could have even made them to leave the party in the first place. Uniobi, if you don't agree with the person, it does not call for deserting the party. That is one of the views. And that view of critical thinking is some of the people who have betrayed the party. Move the party name, and I move the party no secrets. And the command NDC for, and I say media people no. You should not be seen as a family any longer, because if you are able to betray the party, it means that you are ready to see the party collapse. And for anyone who is ready to see the party collapse, what guarantee do you have, say, Mr. Nepano, a China on press as same team view? And the critical thinkers feel say the time that NPP is spending on all these individuals, the base 4 and all those things, should rechannel NPP should rechannel the concentration to focus on other stuff. And yes, sir, Dr. Baumia might be left naked again. Sebi. For this very thing that critical thinker has said, I don't have an opinion. I want to hear your opinion. And God willing, on the next segment, tomorrow, I'll be reading your opinions on this very topic. So let me know in the comment section. But before then, I will play to you a critical thinkers a submission, a full submission. Take time, listen to his argument, and tell me if you agree with him or you disagree in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
Hello, yeah, good evening. The critical thinker with critical solutions. obade nana make us free England aye UK United Kingdom na efisi ato mai wiye a NPP to omo mai wiye no emzen ka sumdwe aba anka bibia akodanti na nka critical thinker menso madadin sen ka metie ana me hwede because na menye imagine say meye audio but em say social media no cost wa and the base but me person me make it things clear to MPP say onyankopon no a obo soro ba asase na obonsam de stable no pamo no oto no behwe asase so one na ntra enti can break away a na MPP mutra opposition a dia na beba some with opposition ono so opposition ono so ntimi me win e me president can the followers need to me make me president of Ghana because NDC for no a wo mo support to can no wo mo meto aba make da wo beto aba ma wo mo NDC enti can no o break away no twe MPP supporters ni bia o say MPP supporters na obetwe no e na betimi na be president ana. What do you be afraid of? I'm saying, social media, you say at Kennedy, say no what Kufuado or MPP because Kufuado no Jina Homa NPP and at Kennedy at 10 run Abba. Me de met me a catch more MPP some more money now. Reconciliation win here. And win here say yeah reconciliation will be ambrani there. Obi ba win me team adwin win me win team more deba. Oba no sabotage nso onamase waye ne ho ntontom edu anadwo ano wakaw waye ne ho sankrozu ono ne da wosum eda wo hye osumiem ono mo ne moja no opigo on ma de achi a ne wabusa sa na hwa na bawi wo sankrozu wo hye osumiem enti dia nti na chinchina na reconciliation na we mra ede na beboa Dr. Amako ba de pa na Kufuado ye no Kufuado ba enye ne nyuma nyina na ye but na boa Ghana fo no bin mahiafo Kufuado nya 100% oye human being oye error say ye kan santimemu anu omde ntoma send form na no asantifo baka so di ohwamo nanso me no me ya santini de metimi aka ne say na capitation da mo so no oba within 3 months ye yifri mo so na ho de mo kae de oye nipa o wontimi ye ni nyina but the oye ye ni bi so boy asanteman capitation the whole Ghana ye krom na ne ye fasika gold ye krom na ne ye fa nyina hi both side aso so ye na capitation da ye so a wo call hospital wutu aka Akufuado buy within 3 months na ye free mo so eno mo kae eti enye enipa de obeye nyina na be 100% o nipa Yesu Kristo si obi anya perfect just akrope agya no ti Yesu kro ba azazi so anya perfect otwe aba akọbụ nkrọfọ nso ewo asọrị dem se wo mu di dwa na nso na nka se ne bufui anso a Kristofo se wo bufu e bonsam nti ye musa se bonsam na be hye Yesu mu a Kristofo na wo kan o akwa we bonsam gigi no because ne bu afu ne ye musa se Yesu bufu ye no one de bonsam betran mu ana bonsam betran mu de mpesa me ka kire mo MPP fo ne se mo pese mo wen ni aba na se ya mo forget hypocrisy obi a wonye bia moma ne hu so wonye wonko de odo MPP wono MPP de ono MPP no wonko that's all ade na mo kire na ataka ne de aba na mo akoba aba omo mienu no omo ye papa anka omo bo Akufuado abammuo because no omo ye MPP fo that time they were not no omo nye NDC anasa hwanhwan enti omo ba no wonu adwom de ba kwadwo Pianim ona na ye chief of staff ewo ayi mampanyini ayi mampanyi Kufuor apenso eti na Kufuor ye mistake as a chief of staff no wo kwan so wo frɛ no yonko chief of staff ma me frɛ ma no ye oba no ne kasa sɛ Kufuor ye ni sei ye nye ni sei mo de mo ntra ho na mo nye reconciliation yakofa we yaba ba omi abesa akɔ no wate ahwe no kora na me kan kyerɛ mo no because of anya amanfo na empe no onye nipo nanso internal sabotage sa nkrofo no a eba ni nyina bebre eye tete hofo no a wo mo tam atwam no be ma the youth no kwan ma wo ma be represent wo mo so wo mo nko pension hwede nkrofo bi kika eye what they saying from Pom Boating now hwede the NPP the obekika eye ni ade sa nkrofo onya mo si reconciliation MPP for money da hodie bibusa the critical thinker make us free UK mibusa my question is money da hodie Munhwɛ nneɛma yi. Ama nhwɛ ya. Mobɛkɔ akɔtɔ Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Ama na sa aba fie. Ama aka sɛ ɔno wafiri. Anso na yɛ internal sabotage for amode wɔn bɛhyɛ mu. Mode wɔn baayɛ. Adan ayi yeni hɔ no na ayi ɔde sɛ Kennedy Japan sɛ yɛamfa Napo as a vice president a ɔnyɛ campaign ma NPP. Yɛkɔfa Napo as a vice president. No na machi etuatua nkrɔfoɔ sɛ yɛnyɛ campaign ti NPP. No otuatua. Nkrɔfoɔ no bebree aba abɔnten abɛka sɛ Kennedy Japan ma wɔn musika. Ɛno nso so ɛno mo aka ho asɛm. Nka ho hwe. No ane sɛ mote hɔ no na unity. Why unity? Unity on my foot. Unity hunu. Unity a oni ano ba abɛhyɛm na mo wa ba abɛsabotage. Mahmoud Baumia o manani na onya sɛ obɛkɔ the second term asa abɛtena fie na o ma asa de bire mama no. Ade o sɛ Akufo Addo 3 times. Nti ono obɛkɔ 4 times. Nti me de me ka kyɛm no ɛnyɛ unity hunu. Say we yaba. De wonye bia no say ye wi abro na say abro no na say ye wi nche wi de anya ne ye yifrim ye yi abro mu ade anya ne ye yifrim ye yi nkate mu ade anya ne ye yifrim ye yi odisen atadwe mu a atadwe no de anya no wo wi atadwe ba ko pe be fram na anya o purugu ana na mote wono mo na mo ye nya atwomfo say ai na we yaba na we yam na reconciliation me the critical thinker de make am say de anya no mo fish na mo lusu kura ma hu say papa fo na mo de call na lusu ye ba wo de nkrofo bi bewurawuram na say mo ko lusu a the critical thinker I will end my case me de my advice am de ma Dr. Baumia NPP no obi a sorry ana mo de manu asi abronya so ba nya abronya nka party nka go ayin fa nka mo be kasa ayin fa pa na mo ba ba mu kura no a mo be issue ayi ama nkrofo no matimi abre radio station na mo ko opposition wa yakasa ama mo no mo musa mo radio station wa mo to wo ye nya atwom ene bi na abronya kasa anya na hwan yo
foforo no abetre say ye ko no nso so ye nye ni say da bi ye kwadi to me na wonim say ade bia ya ye free tetete kura na ye nya asunsun edi sunsuanso obo na ebre yen no ya sesem constitution no ye kwaya amendment na ya sesem wo hye ekwan na ye fa so appoint ye communications director me against totally no say nyankopon adom ya sesem a ye beto aba na ye die
enti yamra oko the party constitution okay oko page 48 now the general secretary
yes and the mame
the general secretary the party shall have a national secretariat which shall be headed by the general secretary who shall be full-time employee of the party. That means where mama ye chianika. I said the general secretary. No, I don't want chianika. That can no. The general secretary.
Kasa, ono wan kwa. Who are correct am kokan bra.
The general secretary.
The voice of NPP. Maria wacho me say say me DFK debate ma hwehwe minim so ba pe udi be gu me so abe attack me eh rad jollof ma bro me say o ka say ya digu so yenko
but some read general secretary and am say question the general secretary shall be assisted by the 2 deputy general secretary who shall be appointed by the National Executive Committee in the consultation with the National Council. 3. The National Secretariat shall be headed by the General Secretary and shall consist of the following: the National Organizer, the Director of the Finance and Administration, the Director of the Director of IT, Director of Research and Election. Only we will not say General Secretary. Okay, wow. Director of External Affairs, Director of Protocol and Staff.
Administratively, no administrative work. Administrative work.
Okay, so if that's the case, there was an evidence from a guy who took seat from us. MIT say clearly say obina money information says Kabiba. So for that reason, into one year no encounter and ampa you take it the seat for us. One as a general secretary, as part of the responsibility, who is in charge, also heading the election directorate or whatsoever. Or your investigation, the Pakra body in Wafrano, and a friend investigation, what was the result? A death or some opportunity, somebody contested for national election. For that cancer presidential cancer, black bear.
My meba. I obviously mentioned that guy's name. So, the voice of NPP, I wouldn't say, up with the voice of NPP penna. Or no, Timmy had Jollof, I say me tit up me 2 years. I better what to say me no catch them say. Jollof for Canocre. What could you be with JFK who I catch him? The voice a penny suradi. No Timmy could draw Cassasem. Ubien who bet me a caca or no. Abrantia no, any more detail. When it's me Cassasem. No need. What's a man will be say is neither here nor there. Yen I had tum say, Kwame plus ebe can sassem no. Obeka ye no kura na ma ye mu bi efuele ya ye bufu ya ye de bufu so ye sa campaign no no bia e ka hwe ye se ye ntie di se de pese ka e ma ye ho to yen yaka Kwame plus ebekan na obeka ye no wo nsu sie mu no ka ofi se e wo se party ne fere no e fre ye investigation na ye bita Kennedy ho ase mami chewade this is the time man. That time no time and ye party chairman ye party one when nyina almost omuni ho omo yare omuni ho no omo ya available and JFK being the general secretary no na ye lose funwe ya set committee se monko party na nkasa set committee se monko hwehwe mu mra yen adekurunti e ma ye lose aba on timi nye so quick than omo party ni di dwumadi ahye wo mo nsa se mo kwahwehwe mmra no yesi obi e kan ni say wo mframam eti ne eno ne ma yelusu e bra na be yi wo ho ano wa bra report emai ya sumo obi ya ye elections ye lusu ena party na tena se lusu ya lusu die ye lusu emu odu emu eso sene yen monko ena time bia so ye to aba wie bia ye set committee mo hwehwem de ba adekuroti aye we ne ye adekuroti ha ye lusu ye even ye we ne kura ye nti monko na monko hwehwe mra obiti opponent TV so ana social media aka asem baako enu ntia wo se wo general secretary no wo frɛ no wa bra report na wo ma mpanyifo amosoma wo mo no mo fa report ne mai wo se wo frɛ no na obisa ne say adenti na wo ye say ma ye lusu ha say ye de se bi mu nsa mo nkɔ hwehwɛ mra aye ti wo mu dia me
ya wotre meba ya wotre
waka se maminyi wano ye de ase bi mu nsa se omo nkɔ hwehwɛ mra adekuroti a ye lusu ye wo ma ye de na quickly no ye tisim se ye obi aka se nti ye frɛ report ne ba ye no ena nu wom no mbeka dia ena ewu behu archbishop san bra bi
na report no wan wo bet match report no me read
report no we he dia me ko hu report me tiwe mpanyifo kra so mo ahu na me party ni mu yi te se me isamamoni
all defend o candidate o enti ni response
na me defend na me catch say na say asem na me defend ya me catch na nyese me defend ko me
because he has to oversee the operation of the party national secretariat. One coordinated activities of the operation of the party, of the employees, okay, and constituency, regional, external, and that of the national levels. And this is the case in one. Yanya Obia now he was part of the Yanya Obia, okay, he has been part of the national leadership, okay. I, a back constituency, or a member of parliament. A bar regional were coordinating election affair before. Okay? And then obi
no need jina what's am na wo kan on general secretary entimi nyina sa asem na wo kan so enye bibia wa bra yasoma mpanyifo so omun kwahwehwe saa de koro na mu mre omun fa report mai
na me so na dan na afoko eni kwabena Japan den so na omo gina so a ye di yi wo mo
tie omo de gina so di yi wo mo because yes omo ne yen opponent wonsa woso bi omu die na enya abato ne enkoto aba
na A+ wonye opponent
pe to gina ho meba omo wonsa eno niam a ye di yi wo mo no na me ka kire wi omo ne opponent wonsa woso bi a omu die a eyensa woso a ebro ayonkofa so ye de subo ne bo wo mo ye de subo bo wo mo se omo ntie obia wo party ni mu mu obi omo dane ye party ni niema ye ko de benkum na wase ye ko a wo maka bo mu ko nifa de ebeka bi omu ntie enu ne ma ye de ye ko omo ko next meeting se wan wani a de omo ebeka no enu na wo ye hwan wo mu
No need. Sebe ya obi abenya bi beka no. Mese ma mama Ghana Jollof 5 minutes.